Hey guys, Annie here. Welcome to another episode of Cats Are Liquid, A Light in the Shadows. I am recording this on Halloween. Yes, this episode is going to be coming out in 3 days because I was still pissed off over the last game. Well, not pissed off, just frustrated. So yeah. This is happening. So, I doubt I'm going to get past room 3 anytime soon. Was this place even real? Probably not. Whoa. What killed me? Ooh. What killed me? Oh. Flames. Oh god, it's one of those things. God, I can't even really see anything! Like, seriously! This was already difficult enough, but now I seriously can't see anything I'm supposed to land on. Hold on, I'm gonna see if turning my brightness up is gonna help me. Okay, turning the brightness up did help me. Oh, quad, do go down. Oh! I got past the level really quickly! Okay! Go me! No! So anyway, I decided, due to the aggravation this game had brought me, that once I finish this, I am not gonna do the second one immediately, because there is a sequel. There is a sequel to this game. And while I was all for it at the beginning, when, things were easy, after the last time I recorded, I think I need a break from this. Where did the color go? Oh crap, no! Seriously, why can't there be checkpoints in the final levels? The final rooms? Like, seriously. Really? I was pressing the side key! Oh, damn it. Went the wrong way. Stay on the damn ball. Really? I think I have an idea for that. Why did I just dive bomb into that? I didn't even... What? Nope. Damn it. Other way, you stupid ball. Oh. Yes, I made that sound. I don't know what that sound is, but that happens when I start getting really frustrated. It usually happens before I get to the point. Damn it! I am not enjoying this. I am almost done. Why do there have to be so many bombs raining down from the goddamn sky? Damn it, do not... The door better be after that minefield. I hate this so much. I am terrified to see what room 10 looks like. This is room 4. I am literally terrified to see what 10 looks like. I'm already at 10 minutes, and I really do not feel like waiting. I really do not feel like doing this for another 20. I swear, sometimes it's not even like they're registering that I'm tapping the fucking key, the fucking arrows. How the fuck did I hit that? Lovely. Okay, I'm going to end this here because I don't feel like trying to do this for another 20 minutes for the video. I'm going to record another one immediately after this, and I'll probably label it part 2. But I do not like rendering 20-minute videos. They take too damn long. And considering I usually do the rendering at night, because then I'll be in my room watching it to make sure it gets done. So yeah, I am not looking forward to the rest of this room, to the rest of this world's rooms. Really not. So if you like the video. Leave a like. If you want to comment, comment. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. Anyway, until next time, see ya. Bye.